Probability Exercise 28. A math class consists of 25 students, 14 female and 11 male. 3 students are selected at random to participate in a probability experiment. Compute the probability that when we read all of these and when it says "and then," they're making the assumption that order matters. So at the juncture of the notes here, we haven't talked about permutations or combinations. We just had the idea of our independent events, right? So we just did straight multiplication anyway. But as we're doing these, maybe you could see how maybe we could be doing these with permutations, but I'm going to go ahead and just do these using the methods of this part of the chapter. All right, so a male is selected, so that would be 11 out of 25. And then 2 females. So we've got a female, 14 out of 24. Then another female would mean that now we have 13 out of 23. Multiplying across, I get 2,002 over 13,800. And that will reduce to 1,001 over 6,900. B, a female is selected and then 2 males. So there were 14 females out of 25. And then for the 2 males, we have 11 out of 24. And then 1 male was taken and another additional person was taken. So that's going to be 10 out of 23. Multiplying across, I get 1,540 over 13,800. And that will reduce to 77 over 690. So for C, we're going to have 2 females selected. And so we have 14 out of 25. And then we're going to have the 13 out of 24. And then 1 male. So that's going to be the 11 out of 23. If you understand the idea that multiplication can be commutative, I think you'll notice that we are going to get the same thing that we did for A, where we get 2,002 over 13,800, and that naturally will reduce to 1,001 over 6,900. D, 3 males are selected. So there were 11 males, so 11 out of 25. One's taken. 10 out of 24. Another male's taken. 9 out of 23. So that will give us 990 over the 13,800. And that will reduce to 33 over 460. And then E, 3 females are selected. So we're going to start out with the 14 out of 25. One's taken away, 13 out of 24. And then 1 more female's taken, 12 out of 23. And that yields 2,184 over the 13,800. And that will reduce to 91 over 575.